How to make a Google account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To make a Google account, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching your Chrome browser or any of the browser that you prefer. If you are using alternative browser of Chrome, just search for Google. Now to create an account, all you need to do is tap on your user icon in your Chrome, that would be in the top right corner. Here you will see Add Account. Tap on this given option. This will redirect you to a new page. Click on Create Account to start a new account. Select For My Personal Use, or if it's for your business, enter accordingly. Go ahead and enter your first name and your last name. Then click on Next. Next step is to enter your birthday, so go ahead and do so. Then select the gender and tap on Next. Now create a Gmail account username. Then tap on Next once again. Now enter your password. Then repeat the password for confirmation. Once done, click on Next. After that, you can enter a recovery email address, or you can just skip it. Now this is your username. Once done, click on the Next button. Go ahead and thoroughly read out the terms and conditions and click on I agree. Now, as you can see, you have successfully created your Gmail account. Successfully created your Google account. Wasn't it simple? Now you can add your recovery phone number or your email address so that if you have forgotten any of your password, you can recover it easily. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.